Hey everyone! I just wanted to pop on and say hi. I'm about to switch to an overhead view shot for the unboxing. Today we're unboxing brown paper packages, a few of my favorite things. My favorite box that comes from Canada. It's bi-monthly, it's a lifestyle subscription, there's always a theme, and I've been loving this for a while. This is kindly sent to me free for review, not sponsored. I will link them down below, not affiliated. But yeah, love this box, can't wait to see what's inside. Love you guys too. Alright, so this is what the package looks like. I did cut it open, but I haven't looked inside yet. Oh my gosh, they always package everything so freaking cute. Little candies. Ooh, I'm going out to dinner. Tequila sunrise is the theme. How fun! I love the yellow. It's Leo season, summertime. It's this red sun. Oh man, these are juicy peach gummy candies. I was gonna say I'm going to Marco Movies in Marco Island. It's like you get to watch a movie, and it's been doing it since before it was a thing. Like they have been, it's a family-owned business. You get to order dinner and drinks, and it's like nice sit down. It's not like a normal movie theater, and it's so fun. I feel like I've been doing it forever, but I think I might bring these with me or have them on the ride because it's like an hour away. Yay! So cute. I love the colors. So this is the June-July 2022 box. Again, Tequila Sunrise is the theme. And all the items they put in the box are from Canadian small companies and distributors. So the pricing on here will be in Canadian dollars, but you can purchase this in the United States. So I will, like I said, link them down below, and you can switch it from United States to Canadian if you don't, because I personally don't know how to do the math in my head. I should learn that. But awesome. Oh, I see something that says Santa Fe. It reminds me of my family. So this company is by the Hutch sisters. I love them. They're super sweet. And they package everything so freaking cute. Look at this. Oh my god. And I need to save it. I try and save everything that they do. And it like makes me like look like I'm packaging things cuter. So thanks Hutch sisters. Brown paper packages. This cute little string. I will totally reuse this box. Oh my god. So cute. We have a mug. I love mugs. I love tea. I love coffee. I love mugs. This is so mean. I love the colors. This is the, where does it say? I thought I read that when I looked really quick. Orange Crush mug. Get the day started with the sunrise colors of this cheery mug. Colors. Do you guys know the Black Pumas? I love their song Colors. I'm really chatty today. It's 8/8 and I'm like so into it. The energy. Look at this cute bag. Oh my god. All my favorite colors. Okay. Cute sticker. Ooh, I bet this is the Stray Cat. Yep. I love that we get something from Stray Cat Cosmetics every time. They're based out of Canada, and like the name probably suggests, they are all about animal charities, and they give back to supporting animal shelters. This is a blush. Is it a cream blush? Or yes, it is a cream blush. Oh my god, it's like my lucky day. I only wear cream products pretty much. I'm sure I say this all the time, like my preferences like change with makeup all the time, but it looks so pretty. This is their cream blush in Just Peachy. Looks like. Oh my god. Yes, I need one like this. I don't have a shade like this, and it's a, oh my god, is this gonna be my favorite box ever? It might be. Like, okay, we're just getting started, baby. Okay, let's I'm hyper. I was just feeling tired, but it doesn't mean my energy, I mean my whatever mood is low. Oh, and that blush. Okay, we don't need to go. It says professional grade, like a kiss from the sun. This cream blush will have you glowing. Lightweight, soft, and silky. Paraben-free formula. And yeah, they say they donate to animal charities. We already talked about that. Oh my gosh. What stones are these? My favorite, this napkin. I don't say the most. Is this one? Oh, I love this. I'm pretty like picky with jewelry lately. I like really like crystals and stuff. But like this is crystally, and I love the colors. Oh my gosh. So this is Tangerine Coil Bracelet. I love this, and it's free of like allergens. Oh my god, this is so fun. There's all different parts of it. So you can like change it around and kind of like move it that way. At the end, there's little flowers. Oh my god, I love orange. I'm wearing you guys saw the intro. I did a little peek of my face. I haven't been showing my face. I'm like, I should just pop on and say hi. Paloma! I got a little excited there. I'm like, oh my god. They always feature Gourmet du Village in here in their boxes, and I love them. I have like a collection going now. I should make some drinks. I haven't been drinking much, but lately, like the past week, I have had a few drinks. And this is like sounding really good. I had a peach Bellini the other day, and I don't know if I ever had one, but I liked it because I really wanted bubbly. Paloma, grapefruit and lime flavored drink. I think you just add tequila, which totally makes sense. But you can also have their drinks virgin because you have to add the alcohol yourself. Combine it with water and then the mix. And then you can also add tequila instead of water. So you don't have to add the tequila, you know, which is really fun. Sometimes I love making little virgin drinks for myself. Yay! Oh my god. We have fruit slices. Crafty candles. I love wax melts. Take a sniff now that I can smell it. Like, it makes me so happy. If you guys don't know, I lost my sense of smell for like a month. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, I love being able to smell. Is this a pretty scarf? Maybe I should bring this to my mom. I don't want to mess it up. Let's see what it says. I'm going to make it like stay in the packaging so it looks super pretty. I mean, I'll tell her it wasn't me. Not good. Or is it a tea towel? Wait, do I want it for myself? Oh gosh, I'm so selfish now. Okay, this says a citrus Oasis tea towel. Does it look like a scarf? Am I wrong? Here. I could just wrap it up again if I don't. Okay, let's pretend like I never said that. I really like this. Why does it look like it's more of a scarf? It's a tea towel? Okay. How beautiful is this? I think you could still wear it as a scarf. Am I missing this or is it really? Because I think this is a tea towel. A handbag hanger? Oh. Oh, that's a Santa Fe sunrise topper. Oh my gosh. This delicate, I didn't know what that meant. This delicately woven fabric works beautifully veiled across your breakfast table, draped over your shoulders, or knotted on your favorite summertime tote. I love this. Okay. I wasn't wrong. I'm still going to give it to my mom. Should I? This is the tea towel. Let's look at this now. This is beautiful. This I'll keep. But I think I'm going to give the Santa Fe sunrise topper to my mother because I'm going to go see her in like a half hour. I'm going to start driving there. This is so pretty though. I love the colors, you guys. I love everything. And then we have shower steamers. I'm a shower girl. I try to take baths sometimes. I'm a shower girl. So yes, I love this. Awaken shower steamers. It has a citrus scent. See, aren't they so on theme with their boxes? We have 1, 2, 3 in here. And these, if you don't take super long showers, you can like leave them in there and if they don't last the whole time. So you can make this be like 6 or even cut them up beforehand. Oh, it smells so fresh and nice. Citrus ones are great for the morning, like if you're getting up early for work or whatever. It's actually called Awaken. I was about to say, it perks you up. And then we have a gift from them. Our gift to you. What was it? The handbag hangers. I'm so excited. I need this. I cleaned out my closet today and got rid of 3 bags of clothes. So this is great because I have some handbags just like on the ground. I'm like, I need to do something with this. So this holds it up. And look at it. It's really pretty. Little beach. Oops, am I holding it? You guys, I love this box. I thought it was super fun to open. Like, we get extra goodies. They're so good about staying on theme. Like, the colors really make me happy. So, I hope this made you happy too. I hope you guys are well. I love you so much. I love this company. If you are interested, and again, did I say this is bi-monthly? So, it's every other month you get it. So, you get to save some money. I'm all about bi-monthly subscriptions. Highly recommend them. And I highly recommend this box if you guys like this. Or if you want to check out, if you're like on the fence, you want to see other boxes. I've been opening this for a long time, so you can look it up on my channel. And you can go on their website and browse too. But yeah, thank you, Brown Paper Packages, Hutch Sisters, for sending this to me. You totally brightened up my day. Look at those bright colors. I love it. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. You always brighten up my day every single day. I love you. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And yeah, I hope you're well. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Or soon. Super soon. I love you. Bye.